Hi ma'am, my name is Sumanjit Kaur and today I would like to discuss about some challenges which has been resolved in below task. So firstly, an online application, the OWASP Juice Shop is the subject of this challenge, and so which is to access its password strength functionality. So the tester makes an effort to log in into using a variety of passwords, so like invalid or wrong password, in order to observe how the program reacts to varying like difficulties uh, in the password. So, and the second point is weak enforcement of a password strength is the weakness being exploited in this challenge. So users are allowed to use some passable passwords, like we got from the best 10505. So that is like one QWERTY and integer values. So there are some screenshots. So this is a one QWERTY we have used. So after that we have integer values password. So it's like user received an error message after enter this password into the login page. So we are rarely guessed or widely used since the program fails to fully enforce strong password requirements. So like the application has to be implement strict password restrictions. So in order to resolve or repair these issues, so like this may entail setting a minimum length requirement for passwords and like requiring a combination of a special characters like and alphanumeric as well. So like add for the admin section, it's a like admin 123 password. So it's like by default password for the admin section, admin user. So further, it's not guarantee that the user selects secure and distinct password. The application might apply password complexity requirements. So, like in the fourth point, in the real world scenarios, like we are talking about, like in practice, weak password regulation may result in unwanted access to the user accounts. So automated methods are available for attackers to guess weak password. Like QWERTY 123 is a like very weak password, so everyone usually guess it. So particularly if they are popular or simple to figure out, so account takeover, data breaches, and like other security problem might arise from this. So like to safeguard user account and stop unwanted access, strict password regulations must be put into the place. So like there is a screenshot with the wrong password and got some error like invalid email or a password. So after that we put a correct password for the admin user. It's admin123, and the admin user successfully log into the application. This is the screenshot of like I'm able to log in into the password with admin123 using the this password.
Hello, good morning now. My name is Bimaljit Kaur, and today I represent the project phase 2, task 2, and the task 3 in the security testing. Well, this is the OWASP Juice Shop in which we can perform various tasks password strength. And the second task we would solve is the MC Safe Search original user credentials. So in the task 2, we can log into the MC Safe Search using the criteria and solve this issue by using YouTube videos. So to log in with the MC Safe Search original user credentials without applying the SQL injection or any other method. So this category is very sensitive data exposure. So to solve this issue, we can Google the MC Safe Search and find some data and the videos. The user most probably be exposing his own password online. So first of all, we will be searching for this user. The first thing we will get is a username. To obtain the username, we use the administration page So from the administration page, we just found the username as the email ID. We just copy this email ID and we paste it on the required fields. So to search for the password, we just follow the YouTube video. In this video, we just going through the video for to find the password. So when we going through the lyrics, we found that user gave the hint to the password as his favorite pet's dog's first name, which is Mr. Noodle. So the second hint in the is the replacing of vowels to zeros. The rapper is very concerned about his password. So the password is set as the first name of the favorite pet, Mr. Noodles, his dog's name, but he changed the vowels into zeros. So we can just follow this video and we found the password. So we go to the juice shop, click on the permafrost and get the email address for the login. So we just have the hint of the password that is his dog's first name. So we enter the password as Mr. Noodles and we change the vowels double O to double zeros. So when we put the login credentials, like we can put email ID and the passwords, we just uh, get the correct email ID and the MC Safe Search email and the password. So in this way, we solve the task 2. So for the task 3, we just have the B. John's favorite pet. It is also like similar to the task 2, and in this the user also have the security questions at the favorite pet, which is his cat's name. So to reset the password of B. John's in the third task of the first step is to visit the local host link. So we can put the email ID of B. John. We can have to putting the email ID of B. John. We have the questions on the screen that what is your what is the name of your favorite pet. So to find out this question, we just going through the Twitter profile of B. Jones. And when we going through the Twitter profile of B. Jones, we found that he posted some few photos of his cute cat and eventually find the tweet of his cat, and we got the two links to find the answer of this question. We just going through his profile, and when we going through his profile, there are two links that there are two links in which he mentioned the photos of his cat. So when we got these photos, we found that the name of the pet is Zaya, his cat's name. So again, we first going to visit the link and we put the email ID and the security question. What is the name of your favorite pet? We answered the question as Zaya, the favorite pet of B. Jones. We can enter the new password and we create the new password fields. So when we complete this criteria, we got the we complete the task and we successfully completed task. The message is displayed on the screen that we completely successfully completed the task. In this way, we can complete the task 2 and task 3. So the banner message is displayed on the screen. The successfully banner message is displayed after changing the password. So in this way, we can complete the task 2 and task 3. The task 4, which is client-side access protection, will be explained by our third partner, Sapneem Singh. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Morning, myself Supnam Singh. I'm the third member of this group, and today we are discussing about the project phase number two. And let's proceed further. So basically, I'm talking about uh, the client access the number. Okay, so let me show you firstly. Yeah, the client side X double S protection. So basically, cross-site scripting protection is a crucial aspect of the web security. XSS attacks occur when a malicious script is injected into a web application and typically through the user's input fields and executed in the client browser. This can lead to various security vulnerabilities, such as including data thefting, session hijacking, and website defa defacement, like that. Implementing client-side XSS protection helps mitigate these risks by sanitizing and validating users' input before the rendering in the browser. So here are some strategies to implement client-side XXX protections. Input validations. Validate all user input on the client side to ensure it conform to expected formats and that does not contain malicious scripts here. Okay, and this can be done using irregular expressions or by leveraging expressions built in browser validations mechanism. Escape user input encode. User input code to prevent any potentially harmful scripts from the being executed. HTML encoding libraries like HTML special shirts and PHP or the JavaScript functions like encode URIC functions component can be used to encode users input before displaying it on the web page. Content security policies. CSP implement a content security policies to restrict the sources from which content can be loaded on your web page. And this helps prevent XSS attacks by the limiting the execution of the scripts to trusted sources and the preventing in client script executions. HTTP only cookies. Set the HTTP only flag on cookies to prevent them from the being accessed by the client side script. So this helps mitigate the risk of sessions hijacking through the XSS attacks, since a malicious script cannot access sensitive session cookies. Like sanitize user input. Use a robust HTML sanitizer library to remove any potentially malicious HTML or the JavaScript from the Java or the user input. So libraries like DOM Purify can be used to sanitize user-generated content before rendering it and the browser. User security headers. Set HTTP security headers such as XSS protection, X content type questions, and the X frame options to enhance the security of your web page and your web applications to mitigate various type of attacks, including XSS. Regular security audits. Regularly audit your web applications for security vulnerabilities, including XSS, using automated scanning tools and the manual protections. Testing. This helps identify and mitigate the potential security risk before they can be exploited by the attackers. Educate developers. Train your development team on secure coding practice and the importance of the XXX preventions. Encourage developers to use the frameworks. Okay, and the library that provide built-in the XXX protections mechanism and stay updated on the latest security best practices. By implementing these client-side access protection measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of the XXX security attacks and enhance the overall security postures of your web application, your web any website. However, it is essential to remember that client-side protection should complement the server-side securities measures rather than the replacing them entirely. So basically, that was my concern about you. So how security works for the web development, web applications and the websites. So thank you so much for the listening. So if you have any question or inquiries, you can ask me by my email. My email is given below this project phase. So thank you so much. Have a good day.